Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share another top-on-sale product recommendation, the VWAR DT Watch Ultra 47mm smartwatch. This smartwatch is packed with premium features, including 4 GB ROM, video playback, IP68 waterproofing, and even NFC support. And the best part? You can grab it right now for just $33.74. That's 25% off the original price. Key features you'll love. 1.5-inch HD IPS display with a 360 by 360 resolution for a crystal clear viewing experience. 4 GB ROM to store music, videos, and even photos. 100+ built-in watch faces to match your style. Dual Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless connectivity. True wireless stereo. TWS connection for listening to music on the go. AI voice assistant for hands-free control. IP68 waterproof rating. Perfect for workouts and outdoor adventures. This smartwatch isn't just about style, it's also a powerful health and fitness tracker. Heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring to keep track of your well-being. Multiple sports modes to track your workouts and progress. Sleep monitoring to help improve your rest. And let's not forget the smart features. With this watch, you can make and receive calls directly from your wrist, get notifications for messages and social apps, control your music, and even watch videos right on the screen. For just $33.74, the VWAR DT Watch Ultra 47mm is an insane deal. It's stylish, powerful, and packed with features you won't find at this price point. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to grab yours now. Like this video? Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech deals. See you in the next one.